Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Are you aware of your food timings? Eating food might also sound quite simple in itself. However, it is the easy errors we make that make a massive distinction. It is crucial to remember that almost about consuming, the timing of food is the vital factor. Morning. Don't skip breakfast. Reporting inside the American Heart Association magazine circulation, Harvard School of Public Health researchers studied the health consequences of 26,902 male health professionals sometime 45 to 82 over 16-year duration. They located that the men who skipped breakfast had a 27% higher danger of coronary heart assault or loss of life from coronary heart sickness than folks that honored the morning meal. According to the scientists, skipping breakfast may additionally make you hungrier and much more likely to consume big meals, which end up in a surge in blood sugar. Such spikes can pave the manner for diabetes, high blood stress and immoderate cholesterol levels, all hazard elements which can snowball into a coronary heart attack. Pass at the pastry. Eating in the morning and what you devour is crucial for putting your blood sugar sample for the rest of the day. If you consume something that is whole grain and has a few fat and protein to it, your blood sugar is going to upward push slowly and flow down slowly. If you consume something sensitive like a totally sweet cinnamon roll, that is the worst problem you could consume, says Judy Kaplan, a registered dietitian nutritionist for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. You get insulin and then your blood sugar drops too low, so you get hungry once more. That is why humans get right into a cycle of overeating junk. To ease your body into a more regular blood sugar sample, strive some oatmeal, whole wheat toast with almond butter or omelets with spinach and avocado. If you really want to have some toasted specialist style time, that you want to look for a breads that consist of sprouted or stone grounded grains, and that list completely grains as one of the first objects in a substance's label. The kernels ought to make the bread greater, dense and hearty. Kaplan's favorite breakfast is a baked candy potato with a little bit of cinnamon and a small little bit of butter. Who says you have to consume just cereal with the morning? Afternoon. Fuel up at the proper time. In the 1960s, nutritionist Edil Davis popularized the mantra, eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince and dinner like a pauper. Why? Fueling up makes feel earlier within the day, when your body desires the most energy for power. That is why in plenty of European nations, the maximum essential meal of the day takes vicinity in the afternoon. Ideally, you need to provide yourself gas before you do extra hard work, says Kaplan. If you are used to eating a smaller meal for lunch and a bigger meal later, you can though top off with a hearty meal that has extensively fewer electricity. A quiet huge meal which is complete of salad and greens is large in amount, however mild in calories, says Kaplan. Evening. Don't overdo it. Calories get burned up regardless of whilst you devour them, so theoretically it is okay to eat after dark. But if you consume a heavy dinner, you are not as likely to take away the one's energy in advance than you switch in. What you don't burn off is much more likely to be saved as fats, as you turn out to be much less lively in the direction of the prevent of the day, says Tracy Lockwood, a registered dietitian at F Factor Nutrition. Eating too near bedtime increases your blood sugar and insulin, which motivates you to have a hard time falling asleep. Therefore, your closing meal ought to be the lightest of the day and should be eaten as a minimum of 3 hours in advance then you doze off. There is another purpose that overdue nighttime eating after dinner isn't an outstanding concept. In most instances, those visits to the refrigerator containing sweet treats, which include ice cream and specific cakes that can ship blood sugar hovering right earlier than matters, that can lower levels of the hormone melatonin, which is meant that will help you revel in tired and secure. So, waning tears could make it more difficult to go to sleep. A raise of energy coming out of your dinner, which can also have consisted of pasta, rice or bread, can act as a quick-lived stimulant, inflicting you to experience more conscious at once after a meal, says Lockwood. Also, it is not recommended to lie down right now after a meal, particularly a large one, since it increases your chances for acid reflux sickness. Keep it light. If you go to Europe and locations in which there isn't as plenty of weight troubles as the rest of the sector, humans consume very late and they are no longer always overweight. That is because they'll be strolling everywhere and they may be usually now not eating a big and heavy meal, says Kaplan. Instead, it is able to be avocado and toast with a side of soup. There is truly no technique for wholesome consuming that applies to absolutely everyone for keeping a healthful weight and fending off illness. However, paying attention to each what and while you devour is probably incredible vicinity to begin. What is the best time to eat in? Breakfast, the most critical meal of the day. Breakfast needs to be eaten internal 1 hour of waking, ideally between 7 and 8 am. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your stomach is empty and your body desires electricity for energy. Make wonderful that electricity are excessive in protein and coffee in sugar and carbs. Eating a donut will ship your blood sugar skyrocketing, however, leave you feeling hungry again prolonged before lunchtime. Consider oatmeal with sparkling fruit, omelette with spinach, or a chunk of whole wheat toast with peanut butter to get your digestive song off to a very good start. Lunch. Try to consume lunch about 4 to 5 hours after breakfast, sometimes around 11 or 12 pm. Do now not pass lunch, otherwise you run the threat of becoming a zombie by using way of early afternoon, the busiest time of the day. A real lunch includes lean protein, lean meats like turkey, bird or fish, complicated carbs like brown rice, whole wheat pasta or bread, fiber and appropriate fat. Dinner. The excellent time to devour your very last meal of the day is not any much less than 3 hours earlier than you go to bed, preferably spherical 6 pm according to time. Eating too near bedtime will increase your blood sugar and insulin, which motivates you to have a hard time falling asleep. Therefore, your very last meal need to be the lightest of the day and must be eaten as a minimum 3 hours earlier than you fall asleep. Meal thoughts for dinner need to resemble lunch, a protein, a complex carb, and end results and greens. Snacks. About 3 hours after breakfast and yet again approximately 3 hours after lunch, you can have a slight low-calorie snack. Think apple slices or a banana, a handful of unsalted nuts, a smoothie or low-fat yogurt. The goal is not to truly fulfill your starvation, however, to tide you over until the next meal. Eating food and snacks at set instances every day can also help your digestion. It is important, number 1, to devour breakfast inside an hour of waking up. Number 2, to eat your remaining meal at least 3 hours before bedtime. And number 3, to offer your belly sufficient time, like at least 3 to 4 hours to digest food.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.